Hey guys, right here. I guess I'm just back with another video, and today I guess I'm just showing you how to get the Twitter axe in Lumber Tycoon 2. First of all, if you're under the age of 13 and you know how to create a Twitter account or your parents have a Twitter account, then what you need to do is, this is an alt for me, my main is under the age of 13, so I had to create this. So, I don't want to go on a public server. This might take a minute to load, which I am sorry for. I'm also sorry about the SpongeBob costume I'm using on my guy right now. While that's loading, I'm not going to show you. I'm going to blur this out with OBS. Because I don't need any of you finding out my real name unless you already know it. Let me get blur tools up. Sorry if you can see this. Controls, settings. Never mind, I'm just not going to show you. But what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and then in the settings, go to social media, and from there, what you want to do is, so say I'm on Twitter, and you know how there's like an @ before your name? So, like, say I created a random account, my thing would be like @Thanos Warrior or I'm excited for next Avengers movie or something above that. Among that, sorry. That's still loading. And then you want to go follow lt2 on Twitter. If your parents won't let you do that, just reason with them. Or say, could I please create a Twitter account? It's for my game. And, yeah. So once you've done that, you gotta load in. Which I will do. Waiting. Waiting is so much fun. Give me the precious. Oh yeah. Oh wait, it's not loading anymore. This might be a little frozen for you guys, but sorry about that. I wonder what it would. Okay, now it's unfrozen. Yeah. So what you want to do is load in your save. Make sure you have at least a car and enough money to buy some silver axes. So what I'm going to show you to do is you gotta go buy. So like I already said, go follow lt2 on Twitter, then put your account name in your Roblox links. Then what you want to do is come into Lumber Tycoon 2. Sorry that you're seeing that. It's just, that's just me trying to set this up so I could do this. But then what you want to do, and this should sound better, because I have a new mic. But what you want to do is go buy silver axes. Buy as many as you want. There's no limit, but you need only silver axes. This is what I found it to work with. Please get out of there, Mr. Microsoft. No, bad Microsoft. But I'd recommend using one of these if you gave an alt some money, because you have to chop down a tree to get where you gotta go. But the other thing is, when you put your Twitter account link into your Roblox account, you have to make it visible to everyone. And after this video, before I upload this, I'm going to make sure that no one can see it, because I don't need you guys finding out my real name unless you already know it. That's also why I'm slightly against people saying my name in comments. Like, my friend will say hi, congrats on the video, I'll leave it up there for a few days, then delete the video, or not the video, sorry, the comment. And because I'm such a small YouTuber right now, I only leave it up for a few days, and then I take down the comment, and that. Oh yeah, another thing is, you gotta have at least $1,000 to get on the ferry and get back. So that's a critical thing, or else you're basically just gone. I'd recommend getting an all-purpose hauler to do this with, so you can haul more axes over, making it more time efficient. But because I'm me, that's a big, for me, that's literally, I sent myself $50,000 from my brother's account, or what people could consider my second account, Club Nionic's second van. It's just my bro. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom. Sorry about this, guys. I should have done this before I started the video. sorry if you heard any of that in the background, and I did not transition that, so you probably heard all of it. Anyways, let's continue buying some axes and hope that burned off some time.